Do you spend hours scrolling on Pinterest wishing that you could recreate these outfits? Well, if that's you, keep watching because I'm going to be sharing my favorite tips and tricks on how to recreate your Pinterest wardrobe this winter. I'm going to be giving my best tips on how to make your Pinterest board become your real life. This is all of my winter wardrobe jackets and things that I've recently been obsessed with, and these have really helped build my perfect Pinterest girl, that girl wardrobe. I'm going to be showing you my tips and tricks and then also where to buy some of these cute pieces. I'm going to start off with something that I got recently, which is called a poncho. I'm pretty certain these are called ponchos or like, I don't know, cardigans? And this one is my favourite. So Shein actually sent me this one. I also think for Shein this is very good quality. It's so warm, it's just got this fur trim, and this is super cute because you don't feel too bulky. Like, you still got your arms out, you can still show your jewellery, and it's just super cute and it's super flattering at the back as well. It's just so pretty and it keeps you excited for your January outfits. Also, I am so sorry if all you can hear is my jewellery, but at the same time, that's kind of the goal. I'm currently building my jewellery collection. My collection kind of has one of each thing that I think that you need. The next piece being a fleece jacket. Of course, I love a fur coat, which we will get to the fur in a moment, but this one is a fleece one, so this is like a teddy kind of jumper. This one is from Primark, however, I got this from Vinted for pretty cheap. And it's just super comfy, and it's basically lined with like satin silk material as well, so it keeps you pretty cool. And I just think this is really adorable. I think this is so cute, so comfy. And then of course a good thing with a fleece as well is that you've always got the hood to keep you warm. The next piece that I love to have is a leather jacket. Now, I have been stealing my dad's and my mum's clothes for a while now, and I am so happy that I finally found a leather jacket that I really love. Personally, I love that it's brown because I think it doesn't give off too much of a harsh vibe. Like, it's just a perfect little girly moment. This one is actually figure hugging, so it has the buttons. So it's a little bit annoying that I can't layer this over a tracksuit, which is what I plan to do with the jacket, but it's so flattering and it's just really cute, and I've actually worn this quite a lot. I'll insert some pictures of me wearing it with my outfits, and I just think it's made it really cute. Now, the perfect thing that I would layer with specifically this jacket would then be a scarf. So I got this scarf from TK Maxx, and I think this is really cute and it just matches perfectly. This way you're warm, you're not overwhelmed in layers either, and I just think this is so cute. This next piece I think may be my favourite out of my whole collection, and that is my iconic fur coat. Everyone needs a fur coat in winter, I'm 100% convinced. Of course this is not real fur. This is from TK Maxx, and I actually got gifted this for like a early Christmas present, and this is so comfy. I can't even explain to you guys how perfect this is. Like, this is the perfect Pinterest in real life fur coat of my dreams. I have been waiting for this to come along. It is so soft and it's perfect. But there's also so many like dupes of these on Vinted, Depop, and all places like that. This next choice is kind of like the most practical out of everything. Obviously everyone needs a puffer coat. You need a waterproof coat for when it rains, especially if you live in England, which I do. And this one is the perfect pink. I think this is really adorable. Yet again, this was sent by Shein. And actually, yet again, for Shein, it's very good quality and I just love it. I think it's super comfy. This one is really lightweight as well, but yeah, go get yourself a puffer coat. This next coat is absolutely gorgeous. This one is a little bit more expensive and this one's a little bit more of a luxury. So this is actually like a big trench coat. I know you can't see, but like it's super long. It goes literally all the way down to the floor. I'm pretty certain it's almost touching the floor. And then it also comes with like a little belt so that you can tie it. This is also from Shein, sent to me. This is actually really, really adorable. It's really cute. This is like the perfect princess coat, but I will say this one is quite heavy and it's like, it's not going to be waterproof, but I think if you've got the money and you want to level up your wardrobe, then you should definitely add a trench coat to your list, and I just think this is adorable. And finally, I am on to the final piece of my lookbook. Now, I will give a bit of a disclaimer to this coat. I got this coat from a charity shop and it was really cheap. It was like £10 or something, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it because I needed a coat at the time. It is a size 20, okay? I am a size 8, so of course, it's huge. It's very bulky, but I actually still love it, and this is a really long trench coat as well. What I do is when it's really big, I just fold the sleeves up. But if you just fold the sleeve like this, then it kind of looks a little bit more smaller rather than a size 20, because that's insanely big. But this was just a really good charity shop find, and you can definitely find something similar in a charity shop. What I do like to layer with my trench coats is another scarf. This one is from Primark, and I think that this is just a perfect match. It also just helps it not look as bulky as well, like it just helps hide some of that bulk. And yeah, I think this is a super cute coat. I love this coat. Those are some of my favourite winter tips and tricks on how to glow up your wardrobe this winter. Of course, after Christmas and when it gets to January, February, we all kind of get a little bit sick and tired of the cold weather. But this is just a fun little tip to help spice up your winter a little bit. Get excited for some of your outfits. Get excited for it to be cold so that you can wear your new coat. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!